What is going on everybody, Tech Enthusiast here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate AetherSX2 on the Google Pixel 6. So there was a fix a few days ago and you can see what's new here. So firstly we have prevent Vulkan renderer being used on Mali devices. So you can't use the Vulkan backend if you have a Mali GPU. Another important fix is the fix OpenGL rendering on the Google Pixel 6 and other Mali drivers. So thanks to this you can now enjoy AetherSX2 on your Google Pixel 6. So what I'll be showing in some of these videos is the default resolution running at 1x internal resolution. Then I'll move it up to possibly 2 or 3 and even 4, and you will see the games are running pretty well.
5151, this is Hammerhead 62. TOC advises streets barricaded to the north. We are circling around you to find an alternate route. Over.
Copy that, 6-2.
What have you got?
Hammerhead 6-2. This is 2-5. We're pinned down. I have multiple casualties. Request priority medevac on my location.
No blitzer there.
This is 2-5. I say again. We're pinned down. We're pinned down. I have multiple casualties. Request priority medevac on my location.
Copy that. Evac en route. ETA 5 minutes.
Contact with him.
Talk is cheap. Let's settle this.
Don't make me laugh. And what exactly do you intend to do with those pitiful power levels? It takes more than strength to win a fight, and we've got a strategy. I've had enough of your smart mouth. He's fast! What speed! Come on! Hello? Don't give up! Are you okay, Piccolo? It looks like your debts are finally dropped. I'm done trying to get through to you, brother. You are a disgrace to our race. Prepare to die!
Giddy up, for God's sake!
Go got nothing. That's mine.
What hood you from, chump?
Cause I really had my life all together till your eyes met mine.
I know I'm looking too good these days.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Telling me to lose some weight.
I'll warn you.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button. To disable help desk messages, please select options from the pause menu. That's nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury, let Gadgetron...
So you may have noticed that some of the games do run quite well on 3x and 4x internal resolution, and then you will see frame drops, and that is actually due to thermal throttling. So some phones will heat up quite quickly and then it will throttle, meaning the performance will slow down, so you would have to bring the resolution down. Now another thing to bear in mind is that AetherSX2 is still currently in early development. You can definitely bet that the performance will improve over the coming months and years. So there you have it. This is currently how AetherSX2 runs on the Google Pixel 6, and generally I was impressed and it performed better than I expected. And honestly, I think the majority of the games can be played on 2x internal resolution. So that does it for this video. If you have found it useful, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.
Interesting.
Yay!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?